shades. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my Trader Joe's food shopping. I use the Trader Joe's food shopping haul. Okay, so Trader Joe's. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in forever. I don't remember the last time I went to Trader Joe's. Maybe not forever, but I don't remember the last time I went to Trader Joe's. Probably last year. But anyways, first got some sour cream. It's pretty good. I don't even like sour cream or onion, but this tastes good. I've tried this before. It tastes good. It's something to snack on because I always need something to snack on. Okay. And then I have some baby spinach. I always need banana. Maybe two bunch. Oh, let me tell you something. You know, say until I move off aisle, the last time you see me on aisle, I go back. I leave my cards, right? You know, the people them take out my card and put back everything. I was so pissed. I was so mad because we could have taken it up. Yeah, then take up it's something. Look at my shades. Probably say, let me look what I have my shades on. Because my eyes look. My eyes look bags. I'm not about my eyes. I can't buy them. Anyways, I'm put my shades over here. But yeah, then took up the cards. I was so pissed, like, what are we waiting for you, man? Anyway, so I have put, so when they do that, me find a better bag of sweet potato. See there? This was $1.99. And I have nothing there. Maybe you count how much. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Like 13 or 14. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. That's good. $1.99, yeah. So, and oh, take some fresh pineapples. I love pineapples. So this will last me for the week, hopefully. This is some wheat pasta. Indian fusilli pasta. I don't know. Not about to pronounce that. I'm gonna have some broccoli. I'll pick up the water here because honestly, I never drink in a store, but I open it. I mean, 79 cents. Simply. I had to slow down just now because usually I'd be drinking water fast. I don't know why I do that to myself. And then you leave a little weird feeling right here in my chest. So it's like, I gotta slow down when I eat and I gotta slow down when I drink water. Or what I drink. But yeah. I just want so natural spring water for 79 cents. I just decided to pick it up. It's very refreshing. And this is kind of corn. The pull, you know. But yeah. See, I'm showing y'all the stuff properly. I just show you about the right. And the pineapple. It's just so, it's frozen. I love frozen fruits. Frozen fruits are the best fruit to make smoothies. That's what but I don't do it anymore. So other bag. So I have some chopped kale. I love kale. And I love spinach too. I pick up 2 bags because I'm gonna use it. And a long time, you can't say a long time in the yogurt. It's worth $1, so I'm just pick them up. This is Greek vanilla. This one is, and this one is guava passion fruit. So let me put this taste good. See, add a banana here. And pick up some shrimps because I'm gonna make some. Not just make up some recipe with shrimps and whatever. Something healthy, something without, you know, carbs. And I found cauliflower rice. Actually, I have a cauliflower rice that I bought from Dollar Tree. Hold on, let me show you. I'm gonna do this. Look. I bought this from Dollar Tree the other day, but I didn't eat it. But yeah, some of the cauliflower from Trader Joe's. Let's see the difference. Much of a difference. Oh wow, this has 3 grams of dietary fiber. See, I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and get some of this. I just wanted to try this from Trader Joe's. Just because, you know. Organic rice cauliflower. I love cauliflower though. I never used to like cauliflower, you know. You know what? I don't know. Right. These are my last 2 favorites. Well, I tried this before. This is good. I tried this before. This is vegetable masala burger. So veggie burger. Okay. And how much come in it? 4 come in there. 4. That's it. 4. And this one I never tried before. Salmon burger. I don't know, somebody loves salmon, so I had to pick it up. I'm like, let me try this. If at least one time I try it. It is pricey. I'm gonna get this again. I can't remember, but you know, Trader Joe's is pricey. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you're trying to get your health right. Rice. Yeah, right. I'm gonna pay for that. The veggie burger was $2.99. That's not bad. The pineapple thing was $1.79. The potato $1.99. The salmon, right? Salmon. Where's salmon there? Hold on now. He didn't charge me for that? Wait a minute now. Oh, I don't think this man charged me for the salmon burger. Oh, I was getting hyped just now. $6.99. I thought he didn't charge me. I would say, ooh. Alright, and this, I saw this. Some green tea thing. I'm some little green tea. Is organic sparkling green tea beverage with grapefruit and mint flavor. It's cold right now, so I can drink it right now. And where I can some there. Oh wait, okay. This is I don't know what this name already. What's that name? I can't remember the name right now. I don't remember the name right now. But I know what I thought. Yeah. That chickpeas, curry chickpeas. I'm gonna make this curry chickpeas and the brown rice and some yeah. And lastly, I saw this. I was like, ooh, green tea with pineapple juice. Oops, pineapple juice. There's not much sugar in there. 2 grams of sugar. 2 grams of sugar, not much sugar in there, so that's good. I was like, ooh. Okay, let me take it out and show y'all how it looked then. Let's see how it looked together, guys. Let's see how it looked. Open now. You ready to take it off? Ooh, this can. There it is. Like it, yes. 4 coming there. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these. Period. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video before you leave, and come back and watch your girl. Thank you. Me love you guys. Me love you, me love you. Mwah. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.